Hey, what's up guys? I'm back with another video. And this is the Ausdom AH3 Bluetooth headphones. So this is the unboxing. So let's get started. So here is the main box. It is an eco-friendly box. So on the inside we get the user manual. A micro USB cable for charging. And also a aux cable to use it in the wired mode. So here is the main stuff. Let's unfold this. Okay, so this feels really good. A bit flimsy though, but then the color looks pretty great to me. So here is the 3.5mm jack, a micro USB port, buttons for volume as well as power. Okay, this is all about the unboxing. So I'll be back within a few days with the full review of this particular headphones. So please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also press the bell icon to get the notification of the new videos. That's all for today guys. Thank you for watching.